Talk to your partner about this point in this poem. Give him her your reason for what you say. Write down what you say. The poet say it was dusty and note what was dusty and hot. What does the rain do? Answer. The narrow lane and broad and fairy street was dusty and hot. The rain clatter along the roof and goes out the toe spots. It cools the weather and driver away the dust and heat. The poet is watching the rain from his patio. Answer true. When do raindrops clatter on the roof? Whenever a heavy raindrop fall. When it is drizzling steadily. When there is a heavy downpour. Answer. When there is a heavy downpour. The clatter sounds like a tramp of hoof. So we have said that the poet house has a title roof, a tin roof, a reinforced concrete roof, a attached roof, a tin roof. Where does the rainwater flow? How does it flow? Answer. The rainwater flow into the gutter. It's flow down like a rolling river with a muddy tide. Why does the poet welcome the rain? Answer. The poem welcomes the rain because it will cool the atmosphere and wash away all the dust in the surrounding and clean the air. Explain the meaning of the following phrase to your partner. Fairly street. Answer. The summer sun was very hot and the street seemed to be on fire. The heat was intense. Gush and struggle out. Answer. It rained heavily all of sudden. The rainwater from the rooftop had to come out to the drainage pipe. Water gushed out the pipe and struggled out throwing the dust and garbage from the rooftop and in the pipe. Imagine what long flow, so hurt, felt, smelled, and thought. Tell to your partner, write down what you say. Begin like this. The sun was hot. There was dust everywhere. Suddenly there was the sound of raindrop. With that come smell and hot earth. The raindrop made a big noise on the tin roof. Water started flowing out the drainage pipe with dust and waste in brown color. Heavy rainfall and water dripped down from the window panes of house. Rainwater channels were full and it seemed like a river. Overflowing it looked like a muddy tide. The poet used two smiles. Tell to your partner why you like them or not like them. Like the tramp of hope, the sound of the raindrop on the roof is compared to the footstep of running horse. The smile is very apt. Like a river down the gutter road. The rainwater started running like a river in the gutter with loud sound. This comparison is also very correct. Imagine for a moment what a heavy downpour does to the city slum drover. Write 6 sentences about their woes. The scene is in a tow area, so water rushed into the house, destroying all electric and electronic items. All the clothes become damp. Firewood dampened, and no food for a family member. Men folk who are outside are unable to come home. Ladies at home are frightened, and children float both in the water around the house. All the ration at home went to waste. A long phrase is given below. Some words are incomplete. Complete them. The beautifully downpouring, roaring, flowing, cleaning, welcome rain. Ask to your partner what word do in blank in the passage given below and write them down. Imagine for a moment an Indian farmer sitting in the farm and looking up at the cloudless sky. He would be shading his eyes from the bright sunlight with the hand and wondering where have all the cloud gone. When it starts, it will water the purchase and crack the earth, ready for it tiling. It give life for a dying drove. The farmer will be happy. But in the poem, you will see a different kind of person in a city dweller. He is standing at the door for his study, watching the sky outside. He say rain is pouring down.